Okay, welcome back. In this episode, we're going to enter our heat race finishes and create our main lineups. I took the liberty to make a 27 car division tonight and created some heat races, and I want to enter my finishes. So the method you're probably going to use most of the time is drag the car from the lineup into the finish column. This is the finish column right here. So let's assume Lyndon Johnson, LB36, finished first. Just drag them over there. And then you can go drag the next one. And you can continue to drag them in the order they were finished. If you notice, it puts a little finish flag in the upper right corner of each driver's box. Kind of lets you know that who's in the finish, and it's easy to find out which one I forgot. Another way to do it, especially when you're playing around or testing the software, is just use the copy all button. That'll copy all of them over in the exact order they started the heat race. While we're here, we'll hit the clear button. It just erases. It gives you a notice any finish you may have entered. So if you made a mistake, you can hit clear all and start all over. But a better way if you made a mistake is just to move the drivers around. For example, I have 41 here, George Bush. I have him in 4 spot. He's really supposed to be in second. I just missed him. So you can drag them up or down and put them where they're supposed to go. For example, on this one, I'm going to assume Woodrow Wilson in car 20 got first, but I forgot. And I just quickly looked and I had my order 10S and I just drug them over like this. And then I got to the bottom and I said, oh shoot, I forgot to put Woodrow Wilson. Well, I just drag him to the bottom to get him over here and then drag him up to the top, and it shifts everyone else down. So that's how you can enter your finish. Again, if you made a mistake, just hit the clear and you can start all over. So now we want to create our, in this case, we have 27 cars, our transfers to set up our C's and B's and our A main. So let's go to transfer options. This is the main. You're going to want to get to know this window very well. This is how many cars transfer total from all the heat races to the A main. A total. And the reason we have to do a total because if you use passing points, it's not necessarily 3 or 4 or 5 cars from one heat. It could be the top 15 in passing points or the top 16 in passing points. So in our sample, we have 3 heats. I'm going to transfer 5 directly to the A main. The races is how many races, how many A mains you have. Actually, let me change that to 4. Let's change it to 3, just so I can have some more cars in the B. So I'm going to take 3 from, that's going to be 9. So I made the mistake myself. I want 9. How many laps? It's a 10 lap, correction, 25 lap, not 125, 25 lap A main. I got fat fingers today. Now, everybody else goes to a B. Might be 1B, 2Bs, 3Bs, everyone else. So just type 99. And then I'm going to want 2B mains. So of my 27 cars, I have 9 that go directly to the A, which in this case will be the top 3 of each heat, because I'm going to do it by heat finish as opposed to passing points. And the rest of them go to the B. No C main. And I have 2 Bs. So I'll have 9 in the A main automatically. I'll have 18 left that are going to be split into 2 Bs by heat race finish. And my B main will be 10 laps. And if you know now, you can go ahead and put in your B main to A main transfer cars. So again, this is a total. I have 2 Bs, and I want a total of, let's say, 8. So that'll be 4 from each B. So we're going to start 17 cars in our feature. 9 are transferred from the heat races, 8 from the Bs. So now it created 2 B mains and an A main. So now I'm ready to populate them. I pick my lineup method that I'd like to line up the Bs by. Heat race finish, qualifying time, passing points. I'm going to use heat race finish. So when I hit this transfer button here after the last heat, it'll populate both of these Bs and the A. There should be 9 in the A and 9 in each B. And there they are. If we go back, scroll over, heat race 1 was LB36. He should be on the pole of the feature. And there he is, LB36. So we got 3 from each, so that means that 4th place from heat 1 which was car number 4, James Madison. He'll be on the pole of B main number 1 right here. 4th place in heat 2 was car 31, so he'll be on the pole of B main 2. And it'll just jump crisscross and back and forth till we got 9 in each B main. Now from here you can enter your finish. I'm just going to use the copy all command. Copy all. Let me move one around. Here's your top 9 from there, already there. 27, we'll say 1 the second B. When you have the B main finishes the way they need to be, hit transfer. And I believe we set up 8 in our parameters, so we'll get 4 from each B. And there you go. They populated over here. Oops, wrong button. Let me get back. They populated over here. And now we have a 17 car B main. Correction, 17 car A main.